To our weekly feature Cinemas and Theatre. Tonight our reporter Jacqueline Masharia reviews the film Baba Twins. Take a look.
Worms. Uko na ball.
Baba Twins is a comedy drama that follows a young carefree airline hostess called Worms who is thrust into motherhood and has to raise twins. On the other hand, Tony, her socialite baby daddy, is a bachelor struggling to balance his public image and his ambitions when he becomes the unlikely father to the twins.
The Mzuka Super Drive with your boy, Tony Kiwo.
Worms is forced to navigate through her nanny drama and Tony, her socialite baby daddy, who is not ready to be a dad.
You got this.
Starring Violeta Ngina, who plays the character Worms, and Maurice Mwangi, who plays the character Tony, Baba Twins drama seeks to educate and entertain the audience.
We had auditions and we were essentially looking for a new face. We showed up, we auditioned, and I said, I love her. Have you been on TV before? She said she mostly hosts events and she had hosted a show in our channel a while back, but she had never acted. She didn't have any acting experience and I was excited. So it was not as hard to convince now our client to take a chance on this person because her audition was really good. And the same thing with Tony, who played Baba Twins. I mean, he's an amazing actor. I've seen him in a lot of shows. So he has been in a lot of shows, but he has not been on every show. So for me, that was a selling point for Tony, and he was amazing in terms of what he fed us. He fed the character of Tony. So the others, we got a few cameos because again, it being a film, we needed that sort of publicity on social media. So we got a few cameos to give us that push, but the core cast, we really tried to go with a known person.
Baba Twins is produced by Lucy Mwangi through her production company Moonbeams Productions, which is credited with award-winning comedy TV shows.
Set out to do Baba Twins as a series, so we were going to pitch it as a TV series. And then when we sat with the writers and we started developing the series, and we wanted to tell, actually it was called Mama Twins because we wanted to tell the story of a young mom who has to raise multiples. But then as the story developed, we realized that the journey of motherhood has been told over and over again. Like there's nothing new in a mom who's struggling to raise kids. So when this story evolved, then we moved it from being a Mama Twins kind of story to focus it on Baba Twins because we felt now that would give us a unique angle into parenting.
Having been a producer of different TV shows, Lucy noted that producing a movie was completely different to producing the normal TV shows.
I realized that I needed to get a different cinematographer for the film, someone who had the experience, because how everything is done is so different from how we will film and shoot for TV. So in terms of technical, even the equipment we had to use were very different from what we do use when we're doing our TV series. The movie we shot, like the timeline in the film is 2 years. So how do we keep that in terms of even continuity?
Lucy describes her first foray into film production as a huge responsibility that has made her face her fears head-on.
Currently, a lot of the content that we're producing is going on the paid-for platforms because there's just no demand on free-to-air for local content, which just makes me very sad. Because what has happened, in my opinion, is that we do not, or the policymakers really have not quite appreciated the importance of what we call, I don't think we have a film industry, maybe we have a sector of what we have in the film, or the potential of the film industry.
Thank you. All right, let's go.
We have a few associations that are sort of trying to streamline, even just streamlining the industries, because for a very long time, producers, we've operated on a solo kind of thingy, like it's mine, it's my business, it's my company. As long as I have a production going on me, I'm good. Whereas a few years ago, we would view each other as competitors. Now we are looking at each other as collaborators. So there's a lot of that is happening in the industries where producers are able to work together.
Baba Twins is the first Showmax original film in Kenya, another significant step for Showmax and for Lucy, who's looking to replicate her TV success. Jacqueline Macharia for Cinemas and Theatre.